Nem jó! And now 3 of us are gone.
Why'd you bring us here?
This is the thing that the whole town. What did you do to her?
You don't have a choice. The only thing you can choose is what you're risking it for. I think these people feel better and hang on a little bit longer. I can save lives. That's reason enough to risk mine.
They started coming. In the congregation.
Cože? Co jste to říkal? Že jsem to a proč mi nejezdíte to do mýho směru? Kdybyste se měl zaučit základy trošku, co?
That makes me feel better about things. My mom used to say that every day above ground was a win. Was a win. Make the dead die and the living will have this world again.
Baby boy, you like